Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take backup. I mean your WordPress website backup. Previously, I was uploading a video. It's about like 3 plugin what is best for you that you can use on your next website. But unfortunately, people are not saying this. I think that's why I'm making a specific video that's help you a lot. So first of all, you have to log in your WordPress admin panel. I know everyone know that how to log in at WordPress admin panel. So if you don't know, then let me show you that. Just type your website name, okay, and then type WP admin. Just type this word, man, then you will get the login option. Then type username and password, then you will be successfully logged in there. Then you will get the dashboard. Okay, now what you have to do, just in the left sidebar you will see the plugins option. Just click on here, add new button. Just simple here, just click that new button. Then you will get something like this type of page. Not like this type of page, you will get the default page. So what you have to do, you have to type here all in one, this type. Okay, just search in, click on the search button and just type search here. Okay, so when you search, then you will get this plugin. I'm talking about this plugin. It's come from Sarmarks, I think. And you have to install this plugin and activate this plugin. For example, you will see something like install button. Just click on the install button. Then you will see the active button. Just click on the active button. Then this plugin will be activated and you will get an option something like this, all-in-one WP migration. Okay, something like. Now you have to click on this button. Okay, here. Or if you successfully install this plugin, and if you come back, then if you click on here this install it plugin, if you find out this plugin all-in-one, then I hope you will get the option. Here is the all-in-one plugin that is activated. That's why it's showing active button. Alright, so now we are going to take backup. So I just click on here the export button. Just click on the file. Okay, let me show you this again. So when I click on export, I got here something like, so I have to click on here this export to button and select here file, because I think they are a free version. We can only do file, we cannot do other. Okay, I think, I'm not sure about that, you can try it. And also if you see the page, here the 3 option, if you see export, import and backup. So when our the compression all will be complete, then we will see the file in the backup folder. Okay, and if you see here the another option is about import. It's another option. If you want to import that thing, then you can do. So now as you can see, we get this file, and now if you download, click on the download button, this file will be download in your local computer or local machine. So now you're thinking how this thing work. So this is basically, this just compress your website all the files, and now just make a file, all the file. It's just take all the file and make a file, and this plugin just make it. Okay, and now as you can see, we get this is the file. Okay, now if you want to import it again and another website or in this website, then you can easily do that. Just click on the import button and just upload the file that we recently download from this backup option. If you go to this backup here, just click on the backup option, then you will get the file that you recently compress, that you recently export. This file will be show in this system. Okay, it's not reloading because of, if you see my internet connection is too slow. That's. And also one thing you are thinking about, why you take backup? What is the importance of backup? It's so much important because sometimes that's happen. All you not like a WordPress developer. Sometimes that happen, you just make a mistake. So before make a mistake, before make some changes, you have to take some backup. If you have take some backup, then if you make mistake, then you can easily restore that thing. You don't have to take any kind of help. You don't have to go to a developer. Hey man, please fix this problem. You don't have to say this word. Okay. Now you can easily do that yourself. All right. So one thing I was tell you. Okay. So here's the import option. If you want to do, or if you want to make this type of website same, just install WordPress and install this plugin and just import the file that you recently export. Okay, that you recently export. And now if you click on the file, then you just go to your local computer and select the file that you recently download, then just import it. That's it. Then you will get the restore. It's this restore your website as well. So here is the backup option. You will see the backup, and here is the restore button. It's a paid extension. You cannot do it. but in the free version we can easily import that, and it's work as well, because last few month I'm just using this plugin. It's working as well, because previously I was use Updrop and it just make mistake, because few days ago my client faced the same problem. I just make a mistake and just messed up everything. So that's why I recommend everyone, you can use this plugin or a duplicator plugin. You can use this plugin. Okay, it's both are good. Okay, so if you want to get any kind of extra video about that, like in a full video how it's work to show you, then please let me know in comment section. I will try to give you a full video, like explanation video, how it's work and how we can do it. Okay, thanks for watching.